Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas with haircut, very stylish and trendy collection of hair dye, and so beautiful ideas of hairstyling and different ideas of haircut, trendy ideas of haircut in short hair, and many much more beautiful and latest collection, trendy ideas, low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about different ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyles, different ideas of messy hairstyle in different haircut, so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and different ideas of undercut and shaved art. Some ideas in lines, some ideas electric designs, and very beautiful collection of zigzag designs, heart shaped designs. So beautiful ideas of haircut, Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, Some ideas: step, undercut, and the latest type of cut: choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut, and many much more eye-catching ideas of hair dye. So beautiful collection of blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so beautiful, attractive, and beautiful ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. And if you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members, and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. And I request you, please must share your feedback in comment box, because it's very important for growing channel. So please must share with me your opinion, your ideas, your suggestion about short hair for girls and women, and anything about short hair, haircut, hair dye, hair styling, and anything about short hair, please must share with me. And as soon as possible, I'll become latest and new trendy ideas for you. So please must share with me. I'll wait. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care yourself and take care your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.